Hi, welcome to r/memes, the original since 2008. Lots has happened lately. I got diagnosed with inflamed bowels, so I have to take certain medications and stuff like that, and I have to take had to completely change my diet. I created a new character. His name is Talk.
So you're meaning to tell me that your name is Talk?
Dudes, the 350 milligram edibles just kicked in.
He likes his edibles. So if you go to my shorts, go watch those videos, and then I think he's a good buddy of mine now. Like we vibe, so he'll come around and he'll record some videos if I can't. Like if I'm too busy, like I have to go uptown or something like that, he'll come on and he'll make some videos. Leon will come in, make some videos.
Oh, I need a vape, smoke, and a Red Bull.
And stuff like that, and so now we got some new buddies on the channel. So well, let's just react to some memes. Oh yeah, and I have been uploading a bunch of shorts, so go check those out, and go check out all my playlists, and go check out everything else that. Just go check out everything. I have a big variety of different channel. I have everything on my channel. I have a variety channel. I have a variety of different videos for you to watch. Go watch them. Still legal where I live. When you ask me during the interview what my desired salary, but they refuse to tell me their salary range. So do you want $20 an hour, $23 an hour, $17 an hour, $1 million an hour would be nice. Oh good, another one of these. Thank you, Deep State. I love his look. Like I just that look is just the look of a face. My professor looking at the assignment I handed in, wondering why it started with sure here is a 4,000 word essay answer like a university student. Like really? Really? Ooh, look, here's a different format. Good. I love you too, little buddy. Would you like me if the food ran out?
Nope.
Because I don't eat trash. Good, another one of these memes. We need base 10 clocks. Me watching my roommate put 2 minutes and 50 seconds on the microwave because the instructions said 2.5. I don't use the microwave. My friend kind of like almost like nagged it out of me, like because it's like every time I'd use the microwave he'd just be like, so you're using the old microwave again, eh? You know that's not good for you. You know it pumps a bunch of radiation into your food, right? It sucks all the nutrients out of your food. And I'm just like, okay. And besides, I think I'm eating healthier anyways, so if you look from the start of my channel, like you'll see it in my shorts, I lost a lot of weight. Like you'll see, like I had a bunch more weight in my face and stuff like that. Like I lost, so I don't know, not to brag or whatever, but just thought I'd say. Why is this so common? Punish the one student or punish the whole class. Teachers, when a student does something that pisses them off. You could just talk to him personally. You know, he's the one that causes the problem. We're the ones being innocent angels. No! You will be punished! You will be lectured! You will be given all my opinions! For 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna give you homework. That's gotta hurt. 4 of my toes watching the little toe take a coffee table to the face. Ooh. No, wait. They have their eyes closed. It's more like, ooh. I hope that looked good. I couldn't see that. Look, because I have my eyes closed. Duh. Oh, wait. You can't see that my eyes are closed. Because I have glasses on the computer. Never mind. Ooh, you weren't hungry, remember, babe? Your girlfriend's reaction when you stop her from taking your fries. No. You said you weren't hungry. That video's long enough. I'm rolling out.